Coming up is a little something I got myself from Hermes. Next up from Caleb and Zayn is this fabulous, it's all about timing. And this bag, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jamie, and on this channel we talk about all things luxury handbags, neutrals, and elevated style. Now in today's video, I have a very exciting birthday unboxing. I have some gifts from hubby, Caleb and Zayn, and some handbags. So let's get right into it. Now, before I get into the unboxings, I did want to say a big thank you for everyone that went over to Instagram and wished me a happy birthday. I read every comment and like, and y'all know how to make a girl feel special. So this year I turned 44. I know, 44 years old, and I was just really looking for some chill, casual vibes. As you know, I recently moved into a new home, and we're coming off of the crazy Nordstrom anniversary sale. So some cool casual vibes at one of our favorite restaurants was in order. Hubby and I, we went downtown. We met up with Caleb and Zayn from Caleb Snell's channel and went to one of our favorite spots in the city. After we went to lunch, hubby and I then went over to Sprinkles to get some delicious fresh cupcakes. So good. But anyways, you guys waited long enough. Let's get into the fun unboxings. My first unboxing is from hubby. He decided to get me some technology. My hubby, he works in tech. He's a VP and he's all about his engineers, loves games technology, right? And he has said to me, like, you know what, you are all about your fashion. I am not in that, but I know technology. So that is a man that totally gets it. So what he decided to do, he's like, it's time for you to get upgraded in your tech. So he got me an iPad mini, and it's the new one, and it is so cute. And he did get me this fantastic off-white beigey case, which I was really excited to get as well. I love watching all of my shows, my YouTube videos on this, so hubby did really well. So I'm excited to have this one. So good. Next up is a little something I got myself from Hermes. If you guys recall the video on my Lady Dior bag looking for a Twilly Mitza, well, I ended up going back to Hermes, obviously. But I think once you guys see this one, you guys will understand, because I could not resist this. It's the funny ice cream Twilly in this pastel with the muted yellow colors. I think this is perfection, guys. Let me know. I can't get enough of these funny ice cream icons. You guys, let's see it on the Lady Dior. If you see here, I just think the colors and the yellow, it's perfection. And I love that these icons, the funny ice cream, it helps make this bag not so serious. This is such a, like an iconic classic silhouette, and I think it just helps balances it out. I love it. It doesn't have even scream Hermes with it, and I just love this whole combination. Caleb and Zayn, they got me a couple gifts for my birthday, starting with this book, Bringing Home the Birkin. Looks so cute. I'm told that this is a true story. Let me know if you guys have read this book, your thoughts on it. But I'm so excited to have a fun summer read. So thank you guys. Next up from Caleb and Zayn is this fabulous orange. I'm so excited. Of course, I did open it in the restaurant, but I have to share it with you guys. So let's see. Yay! Okay. Yes. So cute. In the green. This color, I love it. It's gonna go totally with my skin tone as well. And it's very Egyptian, I think. Here you guys go. But I can't wait to try this one. I don't have this color. I have the taupe color in the Rouge H. So this one is fantastic. So thank you guys. This one's, can't wait for this one. It's gonna be so good. And to round out Caleb and Zayn's gift is this fabulous bow and toe. And guys, this is perfection. I can understand why Caleb is so obsessed with these totes. Now, this is no ordinary canvas tote. No, no. You've got to really check this out. Feel it in your hand. There's just some amazing structure. Like I said, I think until you experience it for yourself firsthand, and the price point is fantastic. I mean, you're talking under 50 bucks. Isn't this so cute with my initials, J and S? And they know me so well with this colorway in the beige and the white. I'm in love with it. So thank y'all are so sweet for thinking of me, knowing my style. It just really meant so much to me when I saw all the cute, fabulous gifts. Just again, you guys are just amazing friends. So thank you all. Okay guys, we are now at the handbag Bottega Veneta portion of the video. So first of all, my fabulous SA Brandon, he is the best SA, and he gave me this gift from Bottega. I think it's so fitting because he's like, you guys got your new home, so this will be a great gift. This is the cover, and then this comes off, and it's a puzzle. Isn't that kind of cool? Make sure I don't tip it over. Yeah, so each of these puzzle pieces can come off. It's so cool. It's all in Bottega colors, and it's just something, it's like nice to just put on your table, and I love it. But thank you, Brandon. This is so sweet. Okay, here we have this handbag. This bag I've talked about on my channel before, and I believe when it comes to fall handbags, I believe I talked about this one in particular. This one was just perfect timing, and this bag came about when we headed over to Bottega after the Nordstrom anniversary sale. It's all about timing, and this bag, it was just perfect timing in terms of this particular bag and color. Once you see it, I think you'll be like, I made the right decision. But I love it. I haven't seen this bag since I had it in store. All right, okay. Cute, cute, cute. Look at this bag, and it's a cutie. Look at this is a new bag. Very different from the Jody bags. You can probably tell this is a much smaller bag. I'm excited. I think you guys are gonna love it. And this is the perfect bag for especially my dinner outings. I can't believe they have this one. The Andiamo clutch in the beautiful emerald green. Here we are. This absolutely stunning. You guys, I couldn't resist the color. Gosh, ever since I got my teen Jody, this was the clutch, the bag that was on my brain when it came to Bottega Veneta. But the thing was, I could never settle on a color. And for a while, I thought it was going to be that burgundy Barlow color. It wasn't until I saw this one in person, and Brandon actually had a bag in the burgundy color. He had it in the fondant until that day that he had it in the store so happenly that this was meant to be. And of course, I just had to get it like right then and there. Basically, wasn't exactly planning on getting a bag that day because like I said, I'm coming off of the Nordstrom anniversary sale with my items, but I just couldn't walk away. And then these clutches, especially this colorway, is hard to come by. So for me, it's the perfect like evening bag. I love going out with my husband for dinners, and this is just gonna make so much sense. I love that the shape is so unique. It's understated, and I love Bottega bags. They're just super chic. Yes, the leather is amazing, and I think this color is perfect because I love the greens. I'm hardcore about those muted, more nice colorways, and greens in particular. Love. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you again to Brandon for this beautiful bag, because I know this one's hard to come by. But they did have a python one, but once I saw the green, I was just like, yep. You just know sometimes with these handbags that this one was was the one. Okay guys, well that is it for my birthday unboxings. Let me know what you think of today's video, and thank you again for all of the sweet birthday wishes. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I will talk to y'all in my next video. Take care.